walking along, just. What's this? I think it's a ball. It's a ball. I'm gonna play with it. Play with the ball. Play with the ball. Dance, dance, dance. Sunny, look what I found. It's a ball. It's not a ball. It's a fruit. What kind of fruit is it? Apple. Doop, 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 doop. Hey, Sunny. Yeah, hi, Sunny. What are you doing? Whoa! Why is there an apple here? I was playing with it because it's a ball. Sunny said it's an apple. It's an apple. Apple? Who's a ball? This is confusing. Yeah. Keep the ball! Guys, are you stupid? It's an apple. Oh, you already have an apple. We were going to bring some for everyone. Should I bring them over here? Sure? Yeah, sure. Sure! Sure. Sure. Is it a ball? No, it's not a ball. It's an apple. I'll bring them. Izzy, we can't play with it. Zip, come on, let's go get the apples, the other ones. Let's fly away. Time to bring the apples to them. Okay, got 4 of the apples. There you go. They were kind of heavy on the ride. I want this one. I'll take this one. But you can have the one that you used to have. You can take that one. Ow. Can I eat this apple? No, not yet. We have to wash it. Oh yeah, we do. Let's go over to the sink. Should I get some water or should we just go in the sink? I think we should go in the sink because I get to take a bath. Hitch, that's the kitchen water, not the water from the bathroom. Was that a joke? Because I don't like that joke. Yeah. Well, it was kind of funny. Okay, now let's go take our apples to the sinky. Sinky! I forgot. Let's count how many apples we have in case we drop one and we find we don't notice it. So, who wants to count? Elf! Hitch, I think you should count. You need to learn a little bit more, Hitch. Okay, count all the apples. I'll bring them over. 1 apple. 2 Stop it, Hitch! Stop! Okay, I'm going. 1, 2, 8, 9. 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. There's 5 apples. Now we know. Let's take them to the sink. He wants to hold them on. Actually, let's hold them on our own. Yes, A! Roll. Is that? Who's gonna get the apples? You, 2. Okay, I guess that would work. Okay, we'll get the apples. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be harder. Sticky. Okay, more. Got it. I'm gonna go somewhere. Ooh, flower shape. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Send. Everyone. Who's gonna get the cutting board now? Who's gonna like it? Post. Yeah, who's gonna get the cutting board? You 2. Us again? Fine, we'll get it. It's fine. I'll get it. Come on, Izzy. We'll get it. Oh, we have to go now. Here a second. Bring it. It's so hard to carry it. Guys, move away. Oh, yeah. Whoa, it's heavy. Got it. Sorry, Hitch. I'm fine. Oh, we need to do a photo together. Okay. Ow, I fell. A photo would be cute, but after, I'll just do my own photo by myself. Okay. Guys, I'll bring the apples, okay? No, it's okay, I'll bring it. Okay. There's a knife. Oh. I'll just get it later. leave it over. Ah! Stop running away, Apple! Stop, Pip! Okay. Time to cut it. And then good. Move it. And last one. I can't cut it. Who cares? Oh, there you go. I'll put the next down here. So, who wants apples? Me. Let's put all the apples in. Guys, do you know what that black stuff is? Oh, I think I know. The seed? Yep, correct. Pip. I'll break these two open. Here, this one, and maybe this one. Okay, bon appetit, everyone. Delish. Guys, look, a seed. It's so cool. Ooh, I found one right here. What? Dig it. Ah! Oh. Okay, but now let's eat. I want to take the smallest one. It's a tiny one. Actually, I'm going to take this one.